kids, today we are going to learn numbers. One bird. This is one bird. Flying from here to there. How many birds? It's only one bird. This is number two. Two lions. Two lions. Lion. One and two. Two lions. This is number three. Three parrots. One, two, three. Parrot. Four animals. One, two, three, four. Animal. Five. One, two, three, four, five. Five cats. Cat. Six octopus. One, two, three, four, five, six. Octopus. Octopus. Seven. Seven crab. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Do you want to see crab crawling? Yes. Now the next one is very beautiful. Blue color butterflies. Eight. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Eight butterflies. Nine dolls. Nine. Ten helicopters. Helicopters. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Kids, learn alphabets.